Welcome back, and please like, share, and subscribe. Today we are going to make some Crockpot Southwest Chipotle chicken. You'll need a pack of chicken wings. So this array of seasonings, they call it the Southwest blend. So we'll do half tablespoon of chili powder, half tablespoon of cilantro leaves, half tablespoon of smoked paprika, or you can use regular paprika, half tablespoon of cumin, half tablespoon of oregano leaves, half tablespoon of chopped minced onion, or you can use onion powder. And I'm gonna do 1 full tablespoon of minced garlic, or you can use garlic powder. I'm also going to throw in half tablespoon of adobo. Need a can of Chipotle peppers, half cup of chicken broth. All right, throw in your chicken, and yes, I boil my chicken wings first. You do not have to do that. Feel free to skip that step. That's just something that I do. And half tablespoon of adobo, half tablespoon of chili powder, half tablespoon of smoked paprika, half tablespoon of cumin, half tablespoon of oregano, half tablespoon of onion, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Now let's mix it up. It looks delicious all by itself, but we're going to go ahead and add in the chipotle peppers. And add in your chicken broth. I'm eyeballing about half a cup. We'll place on high heat for 4 hours or low heat 8 hours.